Nationally, Texas ranks 50th out of 52 total jurisdictions, 50 states and the District of Columbia and Puerto Rico, in state mental health agency pre-capital expenditures. As a result, our prisons and jails have become the warehouses for those with mental health issues who have failed to receive proper treatment. County entities, including jails and emergency health providers, are struggling to address individuals' chronic needs. Likewise, state hospitals are routinely overburdened as they strive to treat higher-risk patients throughout Texas, especially as they pertain to mentally ill individuals entangled in the criminal justice system. Treatment programs are exponentially better equipped than jails to stabilize individuals, make effective medical recommendations, supervise medical regimens, and recommend appropriate behavioral programming to address long-term needs. However, these programs and systems are critically underfunded. Collectively, policymakers and practitioners must strive to implement strategies that will halt the recycling of these individuals in and out of correction facilities at the alarming rates and costs we are currently seeing.